Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry orange scones. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour. You can use all-purpose or cake flour. Cake flour will give it a lighter and softer texture. Baking powder, salt, and sugar, and mix them until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter, and use your fingers to rub and squeeze the butter into the flour until it's combined and crumbly and the butter is about the size of small peas. Try not to make it too fine. Then add in the dried cranberries and grated orange zest, and mix them in until they're combined. Then add in the egg, vanilla extract, orange juice, and heavy cream. Start with a 1/4 cup and mix them together until it comes together into a dough. And if it's too dry, add in more heavy cream a little at a time just until the dough comes together. Lightly flour the work surface. Place the dough onto the floured work surface. And press it down and fold it 2 or 3 times. Don't knead it or the scones will come out quite tough. Then flatten it into a disc that's about 3/4 of an inch thick, making sure there's enough flour underneath to keep it from sticking. Then cut it into 8 or 10 wedges. Place each of them onto a pan lined with parchment paper. Brush the tops with heavy cream and sprinkle them with some sugar. Then bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown on top. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes, and you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make cranberry orange scones. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.